So another part of the portfolio is the midfielder, the central midfielder. So this is the active or enterprising companies. So this is similar to a horse. So a horse can gallop and they can jump. So what do I mean by enterprising companies? So these are like entrepreneurial companies or energy companies with energy. So think of that's got the brand like the X Factor. Think of Apple. So this is a really good example. So people queue up around the corner to buy Apple's products. So these are a bit like, you can't always put your finger on why a company is so good, and this is the brand. This is having actively managed part of your portfolio. This is what we call the horse. So Jim Slater talks about knowing the arbitrage of ignorance. This is having an edge over other people. So why are active managed funds so important? Because they have specialized knowledge. They know something about the company that the market hasn't fully appreciated, and there's an arbitrage, a difference in price between the two. So this is where active managers can go in and actually look at the market or look at companies and see this is undervalued or overvalued, and then essentially buy or sell on the back of that. Jim Slater used the term Zulu Principle, and this is where you become you have specialized knowledge in one certain field. So he used the term Zulu Principle because he and his wife went on holiday to the Zulu tribe, and by reading a book, going on a course, and then visiting this Zulu tribe, they knew more about this. They had a specialized knowledge, and they knew more about this tribe than probably more people in the UK. So it's similar to investing. If you research and understand a company more than the market, then you can see where companies are, where they're valuable or if they're overpriced, and you can essentially buy or sell on the back of it. This takes work. Either you do it yourself, or you can outsource it to an active manager, and they can do it on your behalf. But these, just to summarize, these are the horses, the central midfielder of your team.